I'm HVAC repair guy. I've spent over 17 years working on heating and cooling gear as a technician, installer, and contractor. I also have a background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are comparing two top-tier variable speed air conditioners to help you figure out which one belongs at your home. The units are the Armstrong Air A7AC22V and the Heil H5A1V. Starting with cabinet build quality, the Armstrong Air uses a louvered coil cabinet design. That physical barrier gives the outdoor coil solid protection against lawnmower debris, sticks, and hail. The Heil H5A1V skips the louvered paneling in favor of a wire coil guard. That leaves those delicate aluminum fins a bit more exposed to potential impact damage. Both units do come equipped with factory sound blankets around the compressor to dampen operating noise. When looking at performance, both of these units sit in the ultimate performance tier. The Armstrong Air delivers an efficiency rating of 22.0 SEER, giving it an advantage in lowering monthly electrical draw. On the noise side, the Heil H5A1V drops down to 55 decibels, making it slightly quieter than the Armstrong Air, which operates at 58 decibels. Looking under the top grill at compressor and fan technology, both systems utilize true variable speed compressors paired with variable speed condenser fan motors. Variable speed allows both units to constantly scale their output up and down to match your cooling demand degree by degree. Regarding manufacturing background, Armstrong Air is manufactured in the United States by Lennox International. Heil is manufactured in the United States by International Comfort Products, a subsidiary of Carrier Global. For real-world equipment costs, direct online retail and distributor pricing shows the Armstrong Air A7AC22V running roughly $3,800 to $4,400 for a 2-ton system, $3,500 to $5,200 for 3-ton models, and upwards of $5,500 to $6,800 for 4 and 5-ton units. For the Heil H5A1V equipment-only listings range between $4,000 and $5,200 for 2 to 3-ton capacities, reaching around $8,285 for a 5-ton unit. Once you factor in full contractor installation labor and necessary line set or thermostat upgrades, total turnkey installed costs typically run between $6,500 and $11,500 for the Armstrong Air, and $6,000 to $11,000 plus for the Heil, depending on your region and system tonnage. The factory warranty coverage on these two models is identical across the board. Both Armstrong Air and Heil back these units with a 10-year parts warranty, a 10-year compressor warranty, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty. That unit replacement clause means if the compressor fails within that first decade under covered conditions, the manufacturer provides a complete replacement outdoor unit instead of just swapping the internal part. If I'm choosing one of these systems for my own house, the clear winner is the Armstrong Air A7AC22V. You get a higher 22.0 SEER efficiency rating combined with a fully louvered cabinet that protects your investment from outdoor elements for years to come.